Yeah, it doesn't seem particularly effective. Burner.
I call it as turf and turf. It's a 16-ounce T-bone and a 24-ounce porterhouse. Also whiskey and a cigar. And I'm willing to consume all of this at the same time because I'm a free American.
Oh, that picture.
Yeah.
I call it turf and turf.
Alright, now I am pressing onward with no automatic rifle and nothing at a long engagement range, unfortunately.
Knife is a long engagement range.
Unless there's some mysterious throw knife button that I haven't found out about somehow.
Haven't you played Modern Warfare?
Yes, actually, very briefly. I instantly regretted it. But it's just not my type of game.
Instantly what?
That's what that thing was.
I love how I used to, when I was doing camp counseling for, I was a teacher over at Stanford's ID Tech program. One of the things I would do, like, to end the gaming breaks, when I would go over to where we had the COD server, would turn off the gravity, and then once everybody had jumped into the air, because they're like, oh god, there's no gravity, turn it back on. Everybody's dead, get back to class.
Fantastic, Dan. I wholeheartedly.
Ow.
You know what's really funny? I got most of the kids there playing Blaze Blue, of all things.
Really? Blaze Blue?
Yeah. Yes.
Cool.
Because I had picked it up while there, and I was playing it with one of the other counselors, and then a bunch of the kids got into it.
Didn't they have you Dota too, or was that just with Nate?
No. Actually, that was with Nate, because I hadn't actually played Dota. I played it once while I was at Stanford, and I was like, the fuck is this?
Oh, controller!
There's a controller right there, Nate.
Yeah, I was aware. I was trying to pick my way forward without it seeing me. It didn't work.
No, he's a little angry now.
Now, man, the best way to deal with the controller is to fucking charge at it.
Yep.
I can see no harsh consequences for such rash actions.
You'd think that. Not this time.
I love that moment when you make eye contact with the dog and he slyly smiles and nods to let you know he's secretly a tiny man in a dog suit.
Where the hell are you, Stella?
It's amazing.
Dog's gone. I could really do with her help right now. When I get back from the mission, I'm gonna find the guide at the perimeter. He goes there a lot. And he may help me
Mark?
find Dog. And if
Don't
Stella
leave me hanging.
Dog will know
It's
for
no,
sure.
someone posted it on Twitter. Like, that's all there is to it. There is no more context.
Okay. I would have preferred if you had said that.
Mission. Vasiliev doesn't count. He's just a burden which I'll have to protect. Vasiliev lost it at the very last moment. And when the door opened, he ran off instead of deactivating the lower consoles. I shouldn't have relied on him. Strelok was right to mistrust those lying dogs. My only chance is to get to the door before the controller. Vasiliev lost it at the very last moment, and when the door opened, he ran off instead of deactivating the lower consoles. I shouldn't have relied on him. Strelok was right to mistrust those lying dogs. My only chance is to get to the door before the controller.
You shouldn't have relied on it.
I wonder why I played twice.
At least the controllers don't bring people back to life in this one.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's this scene in Pripyat where you're leading like a little mini expedition to this place.
Oh, that
And
scene.
yeah, and then a controller comes out, and then he starts killing your teammates, and then he brings them back to life, which kills more teammates. But those teammates, you need them for later missions as well, and they all die, and they're all dead. And then but the best way to deal with the controller is to just run out of the fucking room, charge him, and just like fill his face with lead.
Oh, a helicopter. How cute.
You brought that rocket launcher with you, right? No, it's a friendly helicopter.
I guess I'm eating some bread.
Some bread.
No, bread. I'm gonna dump some pistol rounds. Take the AK rounds. Is that... Yeah, it's actually a model, not just a texture. That was probably an anomaly.
What?
Green juice on the wall. That wasn't very bright.
See a snorking anomalies. Still go for the boots.
Them in the face.
So what all my weight is currently tied up in is sniper rifle rounds.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Not surprising. Sniper rounds are really freaking heavy.
Put it in a box and bang the bottom.
And never look at them again. Just
That's
like
why I don't even bother carrying them. Honestly, like I never.
Or you can sell them.
Snipers. I just put a scope on the TR and I was like, I'm good. Set it to the single shot round. All set. Very much did.
What's that dude? I didn't think he was this far back. fact, I'm pretty sure he wasn't this far back. There's a corpse on radar here. Oh, yep, here he was. Oh, and it didn't even have any bullets in it. That's cool.